Hello and welcome to my channel Birdie English. Today, we'll be focusing on the different pronunciation sounds of the ED ending in English. In English, the ED ending can have 3 different pronunciation sounds, including T as in wanted, D as in needed, ID as in painted. Let's start with the T sound, as in the word wanted. Say the following words with the T sound: wanted, decided, started, ended, improved, past. Next, let's move on to the D sound, as in the word needed. Say the following words with the D sound: needed, banned, rained, played, skipped, resumed. Finally, let's practice the ID sound, as in the word painted. Say the following words with the ID sound: painted, hated, waited, created, visited, confided. To improve your pronunciation of these sounds, try these tips. Pay attention to the stress of the word and the sound of the last syllable. Listen to native English speakers and try to imitate their pronunciation. Practice saying words with the ed ending and listen to yourself to see if you're producing the correct sounds. I hope this video has helped you understand the different pronunciation sounds of the ED ending in English. Remember to keep practicing, and soon you'll be able to produce these sounds correctly and with confidence. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.